Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Siddharth's Classes. Now, in today's class, we shall be learning from exercise 2H. Now, in our previous video, we have seen some of the basic and important identities used to factorize the given algebraic expression. Now, in this exercise also, we have two more important identities. They are x cube plus y cube, which is equals to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. And another one, x cube minus y cube, which says x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now, using these two identities, we will be solving the following algebraic expression. Now question number 1, first question says, factorize the following expressions. Now again, when I say factorize, you have to express as a product of its factors. Now, first question says you have x cube plus 64. Now, since this x is in the form of a cube, now let us try to make 64 also in terms of its cube. Now let us write down 64. How can I convert 64 into a form of a cube? Now, can I write 4 cube? Yes, I can write 4 cube. Why? Because 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Therefore, 64 is equals to 4 cube. Now, if you compare this expression x cube plus 4 cube with this first one, x cube plus y cube, you will be having x plus y, then comes x square minus x into y plus y square, which will give you x plus 4, x square minus 4x plus 16, and that is your required answer. Now let us go to question number 2, sub number 1. Now in this question you have 125x cubed plus 1 by 8. Now, if you look at this question very carefully, you will find out that even 125 can also be expressed as a cube. Now, how will I write? I will write down 5. Now, this x, I'll write down x here and I'll write down the whole thing cube. Now, why have I written in this way? Because if I write 5, if I say 5 cube, I'll get 125. If I say x cube, I'll get x cube. Now similarly, 8, I can write down 1 by 2 whole thing cube. Now why have I written 1 by 2 whole thing cube? 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. Now what is the purpose of converting this one into the form of a cube? To make it in a standard form of formula. See, x cube plus y cube. Now is it not x cube plus y cube? Yes. Now let us use the identity which says x plus y into, it has x square minus x into y plus y square, and you'll have 5x plus 1 by 2, and if you square, 5 square means 25, x square is x square, minus 5 ones are 5, x ones are x by 2, plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. That is the answer. And let us go to question number 3, sub number 1. Again you have 16 a to the power 4. You have 16 a to the power 4 plus 54a. Now if you look at this question very carefully, you will find out that it is directly not possible to convert in the form of a cube. It is not possible to convert directly. First, we have to take out something common from there. Now, if you look at this one, in 16 and 54, what is common? I can clearly see that the common is 2. And from a to the power 4 and a, what is common? A is common. Okay, no problem. Now, from 16, I have taken out 2. 2 8s are 16. Now from a to the power 4, I have taken 1a. So I'll get a to the power 3 plus 2. How much are 54? 2 27s are 54 and a is already outside. No problem. Now, this 2a remains as it is. Now, if you look at this one, 8a cubed, again, 8 can be expressed in the form of 2. Now comes a cubed plus 27 means 3 cubed. Now again, is it not in the form of x cubed plus y cubed? Yes, it is. Now let us write down this 2a remains outside as it is. Now a cubed plus b cubed will give you, a cubed plus b cubed will give you, let us write down a plus b, again you will have a square minus x square minus x into y plus y square. Now you will write down 2a, you have 2a plus 3, then comes 2 square means 4a square minus 2 3s are 6a plus 9. Now that is our required answer. Now let us go to next question again. It says x to the power 5 plus x square. Now again, if you look at this question very carefully, you'll see that this question is also not directly convertible in the form of a cube. Again, if you take out something common here. Now what can you see? The common term is x to the power 5 plus x to the power 2. I can take out x to the power 2 outside. After I take x to the power 2 outside, what am I left with? X from x to the power 5, x to the power 2 is outside. What is left? X to the power 3 plus. Now x square whole, everything is outside, only 1 is remaining now. X square into x cube is x5 plus x square into 1 is x square. Okay. Now, x cube plus this one I can write down as 1 cube, is not it? I can write down 1 is 1 cube, 1 4, 1 to the power 4, 1 to the power 10, 1 to the power 100, any number of power you can write down. Now, you look at it carefully, x cube plus y cube, again you will have x plus y, x square minus x into y plus y square. Now, which will give you the answer x plus 1, x square minus 1 into x is only x plus 1 square is 1. That is the required answer. Now let us move on to some more questions which will help you in understanding this topic much better. Let us try this question number 4, sub number 1, which says a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. Now, I have to convert this expression where each term is represented as a cube. Now, how can I write a to the power 6 as a to the power cube? How can I write? I can write, if you understand, if you remember the laws of exponent which says a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power m into n. Now I shall use the same identity here. I'll write down a square first, then I'll write a to the power 3 because 2 into 3 will give me 6 following this identity. Similarly, I'll write down b square whole thing to the power 3. Now, if you look at it carefully, this a square will behave as x, b square will behave as y. Now, you have x cube plus y cube will give you x plus y. You'll have x square minus x into y plus y square. So here you will get a square plus b square, 2 to the 4, you will get a to the power 4 minus, you will have a square into b square as it is, plus 2 to the 4, b to the power 4. And this is our required answer. Isn't it very simple? Yes, it is very simple, but for that, you must remember some small laws, small formulas, which will really help us in solving different types of questions. Now let us try this question. Number 4 sub number 2. You have 2x cube plus 16y cube minus 5x minus 10. Now if you look at this question is not of this form directly. Now what to do? But if you look at it, if you analyze closely, you'll find out that this two term can be converted into this form. Now let us try. Now directly it is not convertible. Again, you take out common. Take out 2 common from both the terms. 2. You have x cube plus 2, 8 is 16, y cube. Again, from these 2 terms, we can take out minus 5 common. If you take out what is left? X minus into plus will give you minus. You have 5, 2s are 10 and 1. Again, next line. Next line, if you look at x cube, 8y cube, I can write down 2y whole thing cube. 5x plus 2y. Now, if you look at it carefully, is it not x cube plus y cube? Yes, it is x cube plus y cube. So you can write down x plus y within the bracket, x square minus x into y plus y square minus this one, 5x plus 2y. Now, you will have x plus 2y, x square minus 2xy plus 2 square is 4, y square minus 5x plus 2y. Now, if you look at it again carefully, this is one term minus this is another term. And now in these 2 terms, what is common? X plus 2y, x plus 2y is common. So take it outside. You'll have x plus 2y. Now 1 x plus 2y is outside. Now what is left here? 2 is left. 2 and this term is left. X square minus 2xy plus 4y square. Now from here x plus 2y is outside. What is left? Minus 5. If you have to go one more step, you can write down like this. X plus 2y, I'll just multiply this by 2 and write down 2x square minus 2 2s are 4 xy plus into plus plus 2 4s are 8y square minus 5, which is our required answer. Now, so far we have done for x plus y whole thing cube. Now let us do for x minus y whole thing cube. Now if you look at this question number 5, sub number 1, you will have, again, convert it in the form of a cube. I can write down x cube minus 4y whole thing cube. Now if you compare this one with identity in formula number 2, you have x cube minus y cube, which says x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So using that formula here, I'll have x minus y into x square plus x into y plus y square. So I'll get here, I write down x square plus 4 xy plus 4 square is 16 y square. That is our required answer. Let us solve some more questions. Let us try these questions now. First, number 6 sub 1, which says 8 a cube minus 1 by 27 b cube. Similar questions we have already done for formula number 1, that is x cube plus y cube. Now it is for x cube minus y cube. Now 8 can be represented as a 2a whole thing cube here, minus again 1 by 27, I can write down 1 by 3b whole thing cube. Now if you verify, 2 cube is 8, A cube is A cube. 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, B cube is B cube. Now if you look at this this expression carefully, you'll find out x cube minus y cube. Now let us write down the formula, which says x minus y, then comes x square plus x into y plus y square. Now which will give you 2a minus 1 by 3b. Now if you square, 2 square is 4a square plus 2a ones are 2a 3 by 3b plus square. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, b square is b square. That is our required answer. Let us move on to next question, 6 sub number 2, which says x cube minus 0.064. Now, again, I can convert this one to this. Now, this 0.064, how can I convert in terms of cube? Now, if I write directly 0.4 whole thing cube, now if you check it out, 0.4 cube, 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4, you will get 0.064. Now I leave it that up to you. Now let us give the answer here. X cube plus y cube, x cube, x minus y, x cube minus y cube will give you x minus y. Then it comes x square plus x into 0.4 plus 0.4 square. Now you have x minus 0.4, it will give you x square plus 0.4x. Now 0.4 square will give you what? Will give you 0.16. Now that is your required answer. Now let us move on to next question, 7.1. X minus 8xy cube. Again, you cannot directly convert in the form of a cube. First you have to take out common. And what is common in these two terms? Only x is common. Take out x, you get 1 minus 8y cube. Now again, following the same steps, you can write down 1 cube minus 2y whole thing cube. Let us write down 1 cube. X cube minus y cube will give you x minus y. Then comes x square plus x into y plus y square. Now let us simplify it. 1 minus 2y. 1 square means 1. 1 into 2y will give you 2y plus 2 square is 4y square. This is the required answer. So, this question becomes simple and easy when you remember, when you know these two identities. So, in algebra, identities are very, very important. Why it is important? It saves your time. First thing, in some questions you do not have to go on multiplying. If you use the identity, you can get the answer easily. Alright, so this is very, very important. It helps you a lot. The identities, not only in algebra, in any kind of questions, in any kind of subtopic, the identities, the formulas are very, very important. So you must remember those formulas. Now let us move on to another set of questions, and with that, this exercise will be over. Let us try this question with question number 8.2, which says x to the power 6 minus 729. Again, you have to factorize this one using the same identity. Now, how can I write these terms into the form of a cube? Now, first, let me take the LCM of 729. If I take the LCM of 729, I will get 3 to the power 6. You can take the LCM and verify. Now, how can I write this one? In my previous question, I have solved similar question which can be written as x square whole thing cube minus 3 square whole thing cube. Now, is it not x cube minus y cube? Yes, it is. So, I'll write down x minus y, then you'll get x square plus x into y plus y square. Now you will have x square minus 3 square. Here you will have x to the power 2 2s are 4 plus 3 square is 9, 9x square plus 3 to the power 4. You will have x to the power 4 plus 9x square plus 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So you'll have 81 here. Now, if you look at this term carefully, is it not x square minus y square? So which will give you x plus y, x minus y, and the remaining term x to the power 4 plus 9x square plus 81, which is our required answer. So here we are using two identity. First is x cube minus y cube, another is x square minus y square, which we have already learned in our previous video. Now question number 9, sub number 1, let us check. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus 2x plus 2 by x. Now how can I write this one? I can write down x cube minus 1 by x whole thing cube. Now from this two term I can take out 2 common. I will have x minus into minus will give you plus 1 by x. Now if you look at this term carefully, you will find out x cube minus y cube, which will give you x minus y. Then comes x square plus x into y plus y square, and you have minus 2 x minus 1 by x. Now let us make it simple. X minus 1 by x. Now here you have x square. Now this x and this x will cancel. You will have only 1 plus 1 square is 1 by x square. You have minus 2 x minus 1 by x. Now this is one term minus this is another term. Now if you look at these two terms, you will find out that x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y are common. Let us take it out. X minus 1 by x is outside. Now what is left? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is left. Now what is next? We have, I'll write down x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. And lastly we have x square. See, plus 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1 plus 1 by x square. That is your required answer. Now let us do this last question of this exercise. Okay. Now this question is of quite different than this question. Okay. But that's why let us do this. The last question. Now I can write down this x to the power 6. You see, I'll write down. Therefore, x to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. I can write down it as x cube whole thing to the power square minus 7x cube minus 8. So what will I get? So I will write down, I'll just make it simple, okay? X cube equals to a. Let me just assume that x cube is a. Why? Just to make the expression simple, okay? So you will get x cube whole thing square minus 7x cube minus 8 will be equals to, you have a square minus 7a minus 8. Is it not? X cube means A. X cube means A. Wherever there is X cube, I'll substitute with A. And this square is this. Okay. Now, is this not a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now, let us try to solve this one by using the method of middle term, by splitting the middle term. Now, what do? 8 ones are 8. Take the LCM of 8. Now, we will take the LCM of 8. I'll just show you here rough. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So, you have 2 into 2 into 2. Now, how do we split by using middle term? Now, we have to understand, whenever you multiply and whatever the number you get, you take the LCM of that number. Okay, I have taken. Now, whatever factors you have got, now you have to add or subtract those factors in such a way that when you add or subtract, you get the middle term. Now, in this case, I can write down 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. I can write down 8 minus 1, which is 7, and 8 into 1, which is 8. So, on multiplying, you should get 8. On adding or subtracting, you should get the middle term, that is 7. So, what will I write here now? I'll write down a square minus 8 minus 1, a minus 8. Now, 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 into 1s are 8. Now, let us multiply. Minus 8 into a, 8a, minus into minus, plus a minus 8. Now, let us take a common from this two terms. What is common? A is common. I write down a minus 8 only. What is common? 1. A minus 8. Now, from this two term, what is common? A minus 8, A minus 8. Take it out. Now, from here, A minus 8 is gone. What is left? Only A. Now, from here, A minus 8 is gone. What is left? Only 1. Now, what will you do now? Put the original value of A. A means x cubed. Minus 8. X cubed plus 1. Now, what will I write? I'll write down x cubed minus 2 cubed. Again, I'll write down x cubed plus 1 cubed. Can I write down? Yes, I can write down. I can write down x cubed plus minus 2 cubed. 2 cubed means A. X cubed plus 1 cubed. 1 cubed means 1. Now, I'll use both the formulas together now. X cubed minus y cubed formula, which says x minus y. Then comes x square plus x into y plus y square. This is one term, one formula. Now, for this one, again x cubed plus y cubed. X plus y, again x square minus x into y plus y square. Now, let us make it simple. X minus 2, x square plus 2 into x, 2x plus 4, x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. Now, I write down like this. X minus x plus 1, x minus 2, x square plus 2x plus 4, and I write down x square minus x plus 1. So, this is how we express as a product of factors of the given algebraic expression. So, with these questions, we have come to the end of exercise 2H. In the next exercise, we shall learn from exercise 2I. So, I hope I am able to solve all your doubts, to clear your doubts. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment section, and those questions I shall try to solve in my next videos. Thank you.